What's up, guys? Okay, so it's really cold outside. It's actually raining like crazy right now, and it's really windy, so I mean, I thought I would do a skateboarding vlog. That's sort of weird, but yeah. I'm going to do a few trick challenges on this after I clean up this, because like it's sort of messy over here. And yeah, I'm probably just gonna be skateboarding in my garage, so yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, check out my shoe. This is a little shoe report for you guys. I have a hole like right there. Then I duct taped it because there's like 5 holes just like along that. And yeah, I had to switch my laces like 10 times, so that sort of sucks. Other shoe, I suck at doing switch tricks, so that's perfectly fine. So I think I'm just gonna clean up this first because it's actually pretty messy, so yeah. Right there, so I cleaned off the half pipe and I tidied up over there a little bit. So let's just skate it then, I guess. Alright, so I didn't do that many tricks, but listen to how bad my bearings are. Do you guys hear that? And like, yeah, so my bearings are really horrible, so that sort of sucks. Still gonna count it. Oh, 2 in a row. Oh, 3 in a row. Oh, let's go. Come on. 1 more and we can get 5. Yes! 6 in a row. 1, that's 7. 8 in a row, baby. 9 in a row, 1 more. 10 in a row, what? Alright guys, so this vlog has sort of been all over the place. Still a skateboarding vlog, but it's sort of been like all over. It was sort of a random vlog, but I guess that's okay. So yeah, I skateboarded in the rain. That was sort of a dumb idea because like now my board's sort of like a little bit waterlogged. I didn't skateboard in the rain for too long, but yeah. Sorry if like this was, I know that montage of me skateboarding in the rain wasn't that good, but yeah, it's still pretty cool. So yeah, thank you guys for 3,000 subscribers, and also let's try to get my Instagram to 1,000 followers. It's at like 800 right now. So my Instagram is at Aiden Drake with 2 N's. I'll put it right here. Just go and follow it on Instagram. It's public, so you guys like don't have to request to follow. You can just follow. Let's try to get this video to like 100 likes. My channel has been going a little bit downhill in views, but it's alright, because sometimes, like, that's what happens with YouTube. Like, sometimes your channel, like, boosts up, then it plateaus, then it goes down, and then it goes up again. It's just what happens. Post notification shoutouts. I do these shoutouts every video basically. Basically, if you click the subscribe button and then click the post notification button and comment in the comment section saying I clicked the bell, then you will get a shout out probably in the next video. I do 5 shout outs per video. So yeah, post notification shout outs I'll put out right here. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It means a lot. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, I will be posting weekly for sure now, so that's awesome. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.